In his hometown spot with those familiar things and the Pittsburghers who've missed him,
A steady customer. He's been coming here for over 30 years.
John Nader is close to 1,000 miles from the destruction he left behind briefly.
It's emotional. I could talk about the hurricane forever, but when you talk about the people that reached out, it's tough.
Nader sheltered inside his Steelers bar, the Great White Grill on Sanibel Island, when Hurricane Ian came ashore.
A wall of water coming over the whole island.
These are the images of the aftermath. Nader lost his home and his vehicles, and his restaurant was damaged. But this Pittsburgher realized he could still help his neighbors.
I had enough stuff to charge phones, and I had my food. I kind of made a grill, so I cooked for whoever wanted something to eat. And we had, people could have charge their phones, have a beer, have a sandwich or something like that. And the whole community just came together.
In a Steeler bar tailgate sort of way. And after this quick break, with a trip to a Steeler game in the middle, Nader says he will head back to Sanibel for what he expects will be a 6-month rebuild. There is a fundraiser set up for Nader's bar, the Great White Grill. We have that information at WTAE.com, as well as some other information for other organizations if you'd like to help those in Southwest Florida. Marcy Cipriani, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.